When is the absolute best time to eat chia seeds to lose weight? Does timing even matter? Let's clear up the confusion and find out what really works. So many people ask me, should I have them in the morning, before a workout, at night? You've heard all the hype about chia seeds for weight loss, and for good reason. They are an amazing superfood, packed with fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3 salts. All of these things are fantastic for helping you feel full, boosting your metabolism, and supporting your weight loss journey. But does timing unlock some secret power? Here's the simple truth. Consistency is more important than timing. The best time to eat chia seeds is the time you'll actually remember to eat them every single day. However, if you want to optimize things, having them in the morning can give you a fantastic head start. A glass of chia water about 20 to 30 minutes before your breakfast can help control your appetite and prevent overeating throughout the morning. The fiber expands in your stomach, making you feel satisfied with less food. But what if you're not a morning person, or you just forget? Don't stress. Having a chia seed drink in the middle of the day, perhaps before lunch or as a mid-afternoon snack, is also incredibly effective. It can curb those 3 p.m. cravings for sugary snacks and keep your energy levels stable. The key is regular consumption. Aim for about 15 to 20 grams, which is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons per day to get those amazing benefits. You can easily sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or make a simple chia pudding. The versatility is what makes them so easy to incorporate into any routine. So, to wrap it all up, while having chia seeds in the morning before a meal can give you a slight edge by promoting fullness early on, the most crucial factor for weight loss is making them a consistent part of your daily diet. Don't get too caught up in the perfect time. Just focus on getting them in. Remember, chia seeds are a powerful tool, but they work best as part of a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. What's your favorite way to eat chia seeds? Let me know down in the comments. I love reading your ideas. And if you want more easy health tips like this, make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.